Balance sheet is given for Yashwant Limited and which company? Charanya Limited is given to us. We are given fixed assets value 20 lakhs. That includes 24,000 for furniture. And remaining is for plant and machinery. We are given revalued amount of stock, debtors, and debentures are discharged. New project valuation is given. Shareholders of Charanya Limited will receive how much? Cash payment of 30 plus shares is given to us. Both the company declare what? 6% dividend prior to absorption is given to us. First, let us do for pre-absorption event, pre-amalgamation or pre-absorption events. 6% dividend is paid to whom? Equity shareholders. Yashwant Limited and Charanya Limited. How much dividend you have to pay? 60 lakhs into 6%. How much you have to pay? 3,60,000 you have to pay. That dividend is paid. That dividend is paid. Charanya Limited also paid up capital into 6% they will pay, and the dividend is paid. Please remember this event happens what? Before amalgamation. Impact will be in P&L account. P&L account 4,80,000 minus 3,60,000 how much? 1,20,000, and cash balance also will change. The other companies P&L account and cash balance also will change. Then amalgamation is in the nature of which one? Purchase. Consideration cash 30 rupees, in shares 4 shares for every what? 5 shares held into 10 rupees. Shall we? What is the first entry we'll pass? Business purchase account data. Business purchase account data how much? 22 lakhs. To whom this money is payable? Liquidator of Charanya Limited account. You have to pay how much? 22 lakhs. And please remember, it is amalgamation, the nature of which one? Purchase. And please remember, before amalgamation itself, the dividend has been paid. What is the bank balance? 40,000. So while recording the assets, record them at revised value. What revised value? Selling company owned assets should be taken at revised value. What assets? Goodwill will be a balancing figure. Machinery, revised value, 20 lakhs, 24,000 is furniture. Now, balance is how much? 19 lakhs, 76,000. Start. Machinery account data. Machinery account data how much? 19 lakhs, 76,000. Then, furniture account data. Furniture account data how much? 24,000. 24,000. Then, what asset next? What asset next? Stock is given, reduce 80,000 rupees from stock. Reduce 80,000 from stock. So stock account data will be, stock account data will be 6 lakhs 40,000. 6 lakhs 40,000 stock account data. Then debtors account debit. Debtors account debit minus 5%. They ask you to reduce what? 5% reduce பண்ண சொல்றோம். Debtors account minus 5%. 7,20,000 minus 5%. How much it will be? 6,84,000 debtors. Then, which asset next? Cash account debtor no change. What is a cash account? 20,000. Bank account debtor. Bank account debtor. After the dividend, what is the bank balance? Bank balance was there, but they paid 6% dividend. Impact will be both in P&L account as well as in what? Bank balance. After paying the dividend, the bank balance became how much? 40,000. Bank balance is 40,000. Then leave a line gap. Take the liabilities. What are the liabilities? What are the liabilities? Debentures 12 lakhs. No. There is one more thing. New project record. New project. New project value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What is the new project value given? Adjustment like கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 3,80,000. Remember bank balance. Debit is nothing but this balance. Okay. Leave a line gap then. To creditors, no change in the value. What is the creditors? 3,80,000. Then to debentures, what is the debentures value? 12 lakhs. Debentures 12 lakhs. To business purchase, let us close. It is purchase, so don't take reserves. 22 lakhs. Tally panna, you will get either goodwill or capital reserve. Goodwill or capital reserve. Goodwill account data are the balancing figure. What is a goodwill account? 16,000. Then let us pay the consideration. What is entry for payment of consideration? Liquidator of which company? Liquidator of Charanya Limited account data are 22 lakhs. What we are giving? To cash. How much we are giving? Cash. 6 lakhs, and shares are given at 10 rupees only. If it is amalgamation expenses, we'll pass preliminary expense account data to cash. But in this question, it is not amalgamation expenses. Check the question. What is given? Expense on liquidation of Charanya Limited to be reimbursed by which limited? Yashwant Limited. Do you understand the difference? It is not which expenses. Expenses to start a new company. It is an expense to close the selling company. Expense to close which company? Selling company. So what is entry you have to pass? Liquidation expenses. Wait pannunga. Borne by the company. Borne or reimbursed by purchasing company. What is the entry we need to pass for? Simple. Already there is a goodwill of how much? 16,000. When you pay more, it will be added to goodwill. It will be added to which one? Goodwill. Goodwill account data. Goodwill account data to cash or bank. Sir, already we paid more. That's why the goodwill appears. Apart from that, we are paying this extra. So that will be adjusted with goodwill value. How much is paid? 24,000. Please note, liquidation expenses reimbursed by purchasing company. Goodwill account data to which account? Cash or bank account. Suppose in the entry like capital reserve vanduchina, you would have adjusted here with capital reserve. Suppose instead of goodwill, here capital reserve some 50,000, 40,000 came, you will adjust with which account? Capital reserve. Do you understand the difference? Is it purchasing company's expense or selling company's expense? Selling company's liquidation expenses borne by us. So it will be adjusted with which account? Goodwill account. If it was formation expense or amalgamation expense, an entry pass பண்ணிருப்போம். Preliminary expense account data to which account? Cash account, like that you would have passed entry. This is extra thing that we learn in this question. Liquidation expense of selling company borne by the purchasing company adjusted with which account? Goodwill account. Start. Balance sheet of which company? Yashwant Limited after amalgamation in the nature of purchase. Start the working notes. Working note 1. Share capital. Share capital of Yashwant Limited already given in the balance sheet. What is the share capital of Yashwant Limited? 60 lakhs. Add purchase consideration given in shares. Purchase consideration given in shares, this 16 lakhs. So totally will be called as share capital. Have we taken up the 4 entries? Entries எடுத்துறீங்களா? Reserves and surplus. What reserves and surplus will come? What reserves and surplus will come? Purchasing companies or reserves எடுத்துங்க. Purchasing companies or general reserve. How much? 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. Then what else will come? Profit and loss account. Please remember, we have done the working. P&L account, not 1,20,000. That is selling company order. Purchasing company order. How much of dividend got adjusted with 3,60,000 got adjusted? Yeah. 4,80,000 minus 3,60,000 எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? 1,20,000. P&L account. That adjustment already we have done. Out of 4,80,000, 1,20,000 of dividend has been paid. Sorry, out of 4,80,000, 3,60,000 of dividend has been paid. Balance 1,20,000 will come. Please remember, we are not doing merger. We are doing which one? Purchase. So only purchasing companies reserves will come. Then any other reserve? Selling companies reserves will not come. Why? Is it merger or purchase? Purchase. So 8 lakhs plus 1,20,000. How much? 9,20,000. Debentures will continue. Debentures. Look at the purchasing companies debentures. Any purchasing companies debentures? No. Selling companies debentures continue. 12 lakhs. Trade payable is nothing but creditors of the companies. Creditors பாருங்க எவ்வளவு இருக்காங்க? Purchasing company 9,60,000 plus look at the journal entry. 9,60,000 plus 3,80,000. Selling companies resource will not come. Working note 3. Plant property equipment. Plant property equipment. What are the plant property equipment given? Buildings of Yashwant Limited, how much? 20 lakhs. Machines. Yashwant Limited already how much is given? 26 lakhs. Charanya Limited, look at the journal entry we passed. Second entry we passed. How much? 19,76,000. Journal entry பாருங்க, revised value. 26 lakhs plus 19,76,000. Machines, அப்புறம் furniture. Yashwant Limited, any furniture given? 40,000 plus, look at the journal entry, 24,000. How much? 64,000 will come. Purchasing company old book value, selling company revised value. We are following purchase method, not merger method. Intangible asset, goodwill. Journal entry number 2. How much goodwill we recorded? 16,000 plus journal entry number last one. 24,000. That liquidation expenses paid adjusted here. Totally 40,000. Inventory. Yashwant Limited, how much is given? And for Charanya Limited, look at the journal entry. Trade receivables, datas of Yashwant Limited. Datas of Yashwant Limited, how much? Yashwant. 9,20,000 plus Charanya journal entry part.
6,84,000.
Total?
So new project 3,80,000.
That will come in plant property equipment. Okay. New project. That will be part of plant property equipment. How much? 3,84,000. That will come in plant property equipment. 80,000. 3,80,000. New project will be part of which one? Fixed assets. 3,80,000. Trade receivables 9,20,000 plus 6,84,000. Totally 16,04,000. Cash balance of Yashwant Limited after the dividend paid. Cash balance of Cash balance you can take it as it is. Cash balance, how much Yashwant Limited? 2 lakh
80,000.
plus Charanya Limited 20,000. Total cash balance we are not adjusting. Bank balance foreign. Yashwant Limited after payment of dividend 4,40,000 plus Charanya Limited after payment of dividend 40,000. We have done the working. Right? Bank balance after payment of dividend 4,40,000 and what? 40,000. Then what else will come? What else will come? Less liquidation expenses paid by Yashwant Limited. How much we paid? 24,000 we paid. Less purchase consideration paid in cash. In cash, how much we paid? So what is the extra thing that we learned in this question? Before amalgamation, companies pay which one? Dividend. So dividend is paid, it is adjusted in P&L account as well as in what? Cash balance, number one. Number two, there is a difference between liquidation expense of selling company and what? Formation expense of the new company. If it is a formation expense of the new company, we call it as which expenses? Preliminary expenses. Here liquidation expense of selling company gets adjusted with goodwill.